Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel Physics Tech. Today we will discuss the remaining numerical problem of chapter number 6, that is on your textbook page number 142. First of all, I am recalling the step to solve the numerical problem easily. First one is extract all the formula given in your textbook and write on the side of paper. Second, read the statement carefully and extract the given information, that is your given data and what we have to find out. So let's start. Numerical 6.6. A motorboat moves at a steady speed of 4 meter per second, that is your given speed. Water resistance acting on its 4000 Newton, that is force. Calculate the power of its engine. We have to calculate power of its engine. Given data, speed, that is represented by symbol V, is equal to 4 meter per second. And force, that is represented by capital F, is equal to 4000 Newton. Now to find, what we have to find out? We have to find out power, that is represented by capital P. Okay, solution. We know that, what is the formula of power? Power is equal to work done by time. We know that power is equal to work by time. That is represented by W, capital W by T. As we know that work done is equal to force multiplied by distance covered. Force multiplied by distance covered. So by putting in this above formula, we can get F P is equal to F dot S over T. Now we know that in previous chapter we have discussed that velocity or speed is equal to distance covered over time. So if we insert this value S by T in place of V, then we have P is equal to power is equal to F dot V. I am again repeating, S over T is equal to speed. So in this formula we replace S over T by speed V. So we have the formula at the end, P is equal to F dot V. Now by putting the values, force value is equal to 4000 multiplied by speed is 4. We have power 16,000 watt. Okay, we can convert into the prefix by using prefix 16 into 10 to the power 3 watt, which is equal to 16 kilowatt. That is our required power of the engine. At the end, we have to write out the result. That is, the power is 16 kilowatt. Okay, what we have done in this numerical problem, we extract the data, speed and force and calculate the power. We have the formula of power, work over time. Work is equal to force multiplied by distance. By putting in this formula, we have P power is equal to F dot S over T. Again, we insert some more substitution here. We insert S over T is equal to V. So, in place over S over T, we replace it with the speed. So, we have final formula, power is equal to F dot V, that is force multiplied by speed. By putting the value, we calculate the desired power. Numerical 6.7. A man pulls a block with a force of 300 Newton, this is force, through 50 meter, this is the distance covered, in 60 seconds, this is time. Find the power used by him to pull the block. We have to calculate again power. We have in given data force, that is represented by F is equal to 300 Newton and time, which is equal to 60 seconds, and distance, that is S 50 meter. But we have to find out we have to find out power, that is represented by capital P. Solution. We know that power is equal to work by time. This is represented by capital W. This by time T. As we know that W means work is equal to F dot S. So by putting in this formula, we have final value of power is expression like that, F dot S over T. So from given data, by putting the value of force, distance and time, we can calculate the power. Required power, force is 300 multiplied by distance is 50 meter and time is 60 seconds. So by using this, we can calculate power, which is equal to 250 watt. Make a block and don't forget to write the unit along with the expression. Now result, the power is 250 watt. What we have done in this numerical, we have value of force, time, distance, and what we have to find out, we have to find out the power. As we know, the expression of power is work over time. Work is represented by capital W and time is small t. As we know that work is equal to F dot S, it is the multiplication of basically product of force and the distance covered. So by putting the F dot S in place of W, we have the final expression of power is F dot S over T. By putting the value from the given data, we have final answer, that is 250 watt, and at the end we have a given result, the power is 250 watt. Now, numerical number 6.8. A 50 kg man moves 25 steps up in 20 seconds. Mass of the man is 50 kg. Move in a step. Number of step is 25. Time given is 20. Find his power. We have to calculate the power if each step is 16 centimeter high. To calculate the complete height, first of all, we will multiply the height of each step with the total number of steps. We will calculate the total height as H1 is the height of one step. If we multiply it with the total number of steps, then we will get the total height on which the body will be moved upward. Given data, mass is 50 kg, time T is 20 seconds, and number of steps, that is represented by N, is equal to 25, and height of each step represented by H1 is 16 centimeter. First of all, we will convert into meter by dividing it 100, because we have to convert into meter. We have 0.16, which is equal to 0.16 centimeter. Okay, now what we have to calculate the total height, that is represented by capital H, which is equal to N, total number of steps, multiplied by height of each step. So we have 25 multiplied by H1, that is 0.16, and by multiplying this we have 4 meter total height, that is represented by H. I am again repeating what we have done. To calculate the total height, we can multiply the number of steps with the height of each step and get the total height, that is given in the, you may see in the figure. Now what we have to find out, we have to find out power. We know that solution, we know that power P is equal to work over time. Again, we have work is equal to F dot S over T. Now, for F, we know that F is equal to W, force is equal to weight, and W is equal to mg. So, now this formula will be converted as P is equal to, in place of F, we will replace it with mg. As we know that the given formula of power is work by time, which is equal to F dot S over T. Now we have to find out, we have to replacement of force. As we know that F force is equal to weight, which is equal to mg. So in place of F, we will replace it mg. So now we have the formula of power is equal to mgs over T. So by putting the values, mass is 50, gravitational acceleration value is 10, gravity value is 10, and distance as height is equal to, basically we can replace it with h. Distance is covered is equal to h. So we will put the value of as 4, and time is 20 seconds. By solving this, we have the value of power is 100 watt. 2 to the 4, 100 watt. This is our given result. Don't forget to write the unit along with the given numeric value. And at the end, we have to write out the result to give the finished touch of our numerical problem. So, the power is 100 watt. I am again repeating what we have done in this numerical problem. We have mass, time, total number of steps and height of each step. First of all, we calculate the total height, which is equal to total number of steps multiplied by the given height of each step, and we have the desired length or height. Here we write it as h. H is equal to, as you may write it as this, h is equal to s, that is equal to distance. And what we have to find out? We have to find out power. Power is equal to work over time. Work is equal to F dot S over T. In place of F, we replace F is equal to W is equal to mg. So now our formula is, defined formula is mgs over T. By putting the value from the given data, we calculated the given power, that is 100 watt. Numeric 6.9. Calculate the power of a pump which can lift 200 kg of water. Mass of water is 200 kg through a height of 6 meter. Height, distance h is equal to s is equal to 6 meter, and 10 second time is 10 second. What we have to calculate? We have calculate power. Data: mass m is equal to 200 kg. Time T is equal to 10 seconds, and height h or s, distance basically equal to 6 meter. Gravitational acceleration's value g is equal to 10 meter per second square. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the power, that is represented by capital P. Solution: we know that, again in this formula we will repeat the same formula of power. Power is equal to work over time, which is equal to W by T. As we know that W is equal to F dot S over T. So basically, by putting the value from given data, force value is 200, multiplied by distance or height is 6, divided by time is 10. By cutting it, we have 120. Sorry, we have missed the value of G. Now again, F is equal to W. W is equal to mg. We have power P is equal to mg s over T. In place of F, we replace it mg. Now by putting the value, we have mass value is 200 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 6 divided by 10. We have 1200 watt. Power is 1200 watt. So at the end we have result power is 1200 watt. What we have done in this numerical, we have value of mass, time, height. But we have to find out power. As we know that power is equal to work over time. Work is W by T and W work is equal to F dot S over T. Now we have to replace force. Force is equal to weight. Weight is equal to mg. So by replacing force with mg, we have the final form of formula is mgs over T. So from given data, we put the value in this formula and get the final result. Power is 1200 watt.